That was a 1714 Great Western Railway First Lone Parenting, guys. Welcome back. This is Alex Stars Trains HD, and welcome back, guys. And today I'm back with my usual Sunday evening session of trains at Exeter Davids, my usual one. As you see, the Great Western Railway First to London Parenting actually departed from platform 6 today, which is kind of strange. The reason why is, I'm thinking, looks like there's works going on platform 1 and 3 on the railway. I'm not quite sure what they're doing there. There was some kind of maintenance or something. So the only trains you'll see going and leaving today, guys, at St David's will be on platforms 4, 5 and 6. So yeah, I'll come back in a few seconds with, I'll say actually that is quite different. So this will be a different video today, guys. So yeah, you'll be seeing trains probably going out that way on platform 4, which is kind of strange, and obviously you see trains going out this side on this side. So yeah, I'll come back in a few seconds with another train, guys. Hey guys, back. Got a terminating train just arrived. I think he might have come from Payton. Not entirely sure, guys. Number 15238 on the train. I think it's the 329 at the back. So I'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, back. Got the cross-country train now came in, going to Leeds. Voyager. We'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, back. We got the Voyager now leaving, going to Leeds. 221 130 on the train. Okay guys, then, well, that's that train. We'll come back in a few, well, like I said guys, this will be an odd video today. So like I said, there'll be trains only on platforms 4, 5 and 6. So this will be different. Didn't expect this until I arrived. So we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Hey guys, we've got the train on platform 6 now going out. I think he's just going to go out to the sidings and come back later, I reckon. Like he's saying, seeing trains come out. Oh, it's 369 at the back. I thought it was 329. Oh, near enough then, guys. I think I should call this first part Trains and Tones at Exeter Davids. Like I said, seeing trains come out of platform 6 like that is kind of strange. But you'll see an even stranger train coming from this way and onto platform 5, which is even more strange. So we'll come back in a few seconds with another train, guys. Okay guys, you got the Penzance train now coming in, and as I said, it's coming in this way onto platform 5. I've never ever done this. This is really, really strange, but actually quite good to see. Number 43197 at the front. Sneaky green coach there. Oh, there's another sneaky one at the back there. Another one there, another one at the back. See what the number is at the back here. It's the old oak common. What a lovely livery that is. Hey guys, we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Lovely two-tone by the driver. I think it's to the people on the rail, but nonetheless a good one. It's a train of Penzance in, guys. And here's why the platforms 1 and 3 are not in use. Got the network rail people working on the rails there. Just like they're putting new rails on. Doing great work they are. We'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, we've got a full carriage train coming in onto platform 6, going to Bristol Temple Meads. 150 249 at the front. And a 150 126 at the back, looking rather filthy, that one at the back there. That 150 126 can do with a wash, couldn't it? Anyway guys, well we got the Penzance train that might go out shortly, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, the cross-country service Penzance now leaving. Two 221 137 on the train. Don't think I've seen that number yet, so that's good. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds once this Bristol Temple Meads train departs. Oh, we've still got that 150 265 over on platform 4 there, as you can see. So we'll come back in a few seconds. That 150 126 has got that old-fashioned door on. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train, guys. Okay guys, back. I think that will do now for trains accident days on this Sunday evening. Hope what you saw. Like I said, a bit of a strange one, because there was any trains going from platform 4, 5 and 6, so but mainly 5 and 6 at the moment. So yeah, so if you like what you saw, make sure to give this video a like, and please comment. I'm interested to see your feedback as always. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next video. Cheers guys.